Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix RDR2 if it's not launching. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, if you're using Steam, just go ahead and launch Steam right here. Go to your library, locate RDR2. For example, this one, right click on it, click on properties. Okay. Go ahead over to installed files and just verify the integrity of game files. Okay. Wait for the process to finish and check if it helps. If you're using Rockstar Games, okay, or the Rockstar Games Launcher right here, locate RDR2, go to its settings and verify as well. And after that, just go ahead and launch it and check if it helps. Now, if that will work, okay, this is a weird method right here, which is by opening up your OneDrive. Let's say you have your OneDrive, okay? Open up OneDrive right here. I don't have OneDrive, so I don't have a problem. Okay, so open up OneDrive, and then once it's right here under your system tray, go ahead and launch RDR2 and check if it helps. Okay, and the last option right here is just basically reinstalling the game itself. So right click, manage, uninstall, and then go ahead and find it right here and just install. Okay, and there you have it. That is how you fix RDR2 if it's not launching. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.